Today, I'm going to be deciding which soda is the best soda because only my opinion matters. Let's go. So basically, we're going to be creating a tier list from tier S all the way down to tier F. And I just got all the main sodas I could find at my gas station, so let's rank them. First, the soda will be ranked on presentation, and then it'll be ranked on taste. So we're going to be doing both. The first soda that we're going to be ranking is my good old friend Kake, and the presentation is actually pretty good. I like the color red, and I just like how it fills up the whole label. So now we're going to give Kake a little taste test here. Here we go. Can't go wrong with a nice glass of Coke, you know what I mean, man? I'm gonna have to put Kake in the B tier. I have the tier list right above me, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna have to put him in the B tier just because it's not that great of a soda. It's not an S tier soda, but it's also not the worst thing ever. So I think a B tier would be perfect for good old Kake. Let's move on down the list. Next soda we have is Sundrop. I don't even know if you guys have heard of Sundrop. Who gets Sundrop? I don't know. Who goes to the gas station and is like, let me get a Sundrop? No one. Absolutely nobody. Nobody knows what this is. Presentation-wise, I really like the color green. It's my favorite color. I love nature. And I like the little lemon logo there with the little splash coming off there like the drop, you know, like a little Sundrop. But let's give Sundrop a try, shall we? Hey yo, it's better than I thought it was gonna be, for real. I don't even know where to put this. I'm gonna have to put Sundrop just cause I don't know, it's underrated, but it's not like the best thing ever. Sundrop's gonna definitely have to go in the C tier. I'm sorry, Sundrop, but you're kind of mid. Next soda, we're gonna have to go to my boy, Dr. Pepper. Oh my gosh, presentation, beautiful. Dr. Pepper, I don't even need to say anything. Oh my gosh, Dr. Pepper, I'm a little biased, but let's give Dr. Pepper a taste. Oh my gosh, you just can't beat it. You can't beat it. You can't beat Dr. Pepper. You just can't. You can't do it. No one is beating this soda. I'm sorry, this is insane. Oh my gosh. S tier. Move on. S tier. Next soda, we got Canada Dry Ginger Ale. I used to be a huge fan of this when I was a little kid, but I haven't had it since I was like 10 years old. I think people only drink this when they're sick or if they're delusional, but we're gonna give Canada Dry Ginger Ale a little taste. Let's go. Oh, I didn't even say presentation. Boring. Let's go. Mid. Super mid. C. Now, you know what? D. I'm going D. D tier. Move on. D tier. Get that out of here. No. Next soda, we got my arch nemesis, Mountain D. I used to drink a ton of Mountain Dew as a kid, you know, Call of Duty days. Be grinding, eating Doritos, drinking Mountain Dew. You already know. Staying up till midnight. Got 12 cans of Mountain Dew a day. You already know. Presentation, it looks sharp. Mountain Dew is a good looking soda. You already know. Got that green vibe again. I like the color green. Let's give Mountain Dew a try. Oh. Oh, that's so good. Oh, Mountain Dew's good. Oh, I forgot how good Mountain Dew is. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be our first A tier. It's not quite S, but it's definitely better than Coke. Yeah, this is a great A tier soda. I can feel myself already getting cavities from it though. That's the only thing. Next soda, we're gonna go to my love and hate relationship. You already know who it is. Good old Peppy here. Yeah, that's what I think about you, Peppy. Presentation-wise, you need to get rid of that S there. It's pronounced Peppy, but, you know, they're stingy. They don't want to talk to me anymore, so screw Peppy, I guess. Presentation-wise, it is a good-looking logo. I really like the Pepsi logo. We're going to give Peppy a little taste test here. Let's go. Oh, yeah. It's better than Coke. It just is. Accept the fact that Pepsi is better than Coke. It just is. It really is. I'm not just saying that. Pepsi is better than Coke. We need Peppy flavor though. I don't know what they're waiting for. The sales will go through the roof and it would retire me. So we need Peppy flavor immediately. This is going to be another A tier soda. It's not quite on the scale of Dr. Pepper yet, so it's going to be in the A, but it is better than Coke. So that's where it stands. Pepsi is better than Coke. Next soda, we're going to go to the Sierra Mist knockoff, also known as Starry. I don't know what this is. The logo is pretty cool, but it kind of looks janky just because it's not Sierra Mist. But I haven't had Starry since it came out, so I don't really know. People say that it's better than Sprite. Highly doubt it. Sprite is unmatched, and it's foaming already. Haven't even done anything. Let's give Starry a try. It's got a little kick. No, it is pretty good though. It's not bad. Like, it's actually not bad. It's not a bad soda. It's not as good as Sierra Mist was though. I like the new rebranding. It looks newer. Sierra Mist was kind of an old head, but yeah, Starry's decent. Starry's a decent soda. We're gonna have to put Starry at C. Good old C tier. That's perfect because it's mid. It is mid. For the next soda, we got Mountain Dew Clone. Yep, also known as Mellow Yellow. I haven't actually had a Mellow Yellow in years. It's only like when they don't have Mountain Dew, so you have to get a Mellow Yellow at a restaurant. That's like the only time you ever get a Mellow Yellow, but the branding is actually pretty dope. I really like the font and I like the yellow and green. We're gonna give Mellow Yellow a little try. Let's go. Dude, what is this? Ugh. Flat out tastes like pee, dude. Ugh. Who drinks this? If you drink this, you're weird, bro. Absolute goober. Ugh. Mellow Yellow sucks. F. Move on. That's terrible. Next soda, we got my main man Sprite. You already know who it is. We got Sprite here. Branding, unamazing, dude. I don't like the new logo, though. Go back to the old logo. I know you're celebrating 50 years. Yeah. It's pretty sick. But I don't really like this tag. I like just the classic green with the Sprite. You already know? Alright, let's give Sprite a go. Whoa. Gee whiz, dude. Oh, yeah. That just punched me right in the throat. Oh my gosh. It is the best lemon lime soda. It uppercuts you right in the throat in the best way possible, and it just makes you oh my gosh, it's like swallowing battery acid.
Huh?
It's like swallowing TV static. I love it so much, dude. S tier soda. Let's put it right on top, baby. Next soda, we got Sunkist. I couldn't find Fanta, so we got Sunkist. Sunkist I haven't had in so long, dude. The logo is actually pretty dope. It pops in your face. It's like Sunkist right in your mouth. You already know what I'm saying. So let's give Sunkist a little try. Holy crap. It's pretty good, dude. I like orange sodas. Orange sodas are really good. It's not a go-to though. It is mid. I'm gonna have to put this in a B tier, just because it's not an A. It's just not. Orange sodas just aren't A. It's B. It's mid. It's a little better than mid, so that's why it's going in the B. You already know. For the next soda, we got Squirt. You already know. My boy Squirt. My dad loves Squirt. I don't know why. I don't know who drinks Squirt besides my dad. My dad is the only person I've ever seen drink a Squirt in my entire life. I'm not even lying. Yeah, I've just never seen Squirt, but it's actually a grapefruit soda, which is crazy. I've never heard of a grapefruit soda besides Squirt, so it's kind of unique. The logo, beautiful. It pops. You already know. It's a little underrated soda though. Let's give Squirt a try. Yeah. So underrated, dude. So underrated. You came to play today, Squirt. Oh yeah, Thirst Quencher is right. Yeah, that's max, dude. Dang. Squirt is underrated. Go get yourself a Squirt. We gotta show more love to Squirt, dude. He's doing so much for the game by being the only grapefruit soda, and people are like, nah, screw Squirt. Go get a Squirt right now. Get a Squirt. We're gonna put Squirt in the A. He's not quite S yet. He's gonna make a name for himself, but good A tier. Beautiful for Squirt. Good way to go, Squirt. Last but certainly not least, we got root beer, and I chose A&W root beer. Get over it. It's the best one, okay? So first of all, the logo beautiful on A&W. A&W is the best root beer. It's the best looking logo out of them all. We're gonna give A&W a try. My cap. Dang it. Okay, we're gonna give A&W a try. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, you can't beat it. You can't beat A&W root beer. Root beer is so good, dude. If you don't like root beer, grow up. Grow up right now. Root beer is insane. S tier. S tier. Don't even need to say it anymore. It's an S tier soda. Cry about it if you want. Root beer is an S. So that's my list. Oh my gosh, that's slippery. That is my list on these sodas right here. If you don't like it, cry about it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you want me to tier list next. I can literally do whatever. It could do like cereals, energy drinks, pizzas. I don't even care. Just drop what you want me to do next. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That was my tier list of every soda. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I love you so much. Have a fantastic day.